Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yeah, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually edit and generate lots of video content in very few minutes, so make sure to stay tuned. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually use artificial intelligence to create and edit countless number of videos in just few minutes using the new AI tool, Video AI. So the first thing you want to do is to go to the site Videos AI, and then you just want to click on the first link over here, AI based content. Okay, and then immediately you're taken to their main page. You can see makeshift videos from long ones instantly, no matter the type of video content you want to create, either it's for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, whichever social media content. You can actually use this video, the AI, to edit your videos in very few minutes. As you can see, scrolling down, you can see how it works. You basically just want to import your videos, okay, probably the long video. You just want to paste it, as you can see over here, and then you want to continue from there. So you can set your preference, the templates format you want, how you want your video to look like, the captions and the rest. So basically all you're doing is uploading, and then you're just telling video, the AI, okay, I want this particular design of template, I want that particular design of template, or I want this video for my TikTok or for my Instagram. Okay, for example, you have a long video and you basically want to post it on Instagram. With the use of video to AI, it can actually convert it instantly to the format for Instagram. For example, you have a video of the 16:9, which is majorly for YouTube, and then you want it to be in a vertical form. With the use of video to AI, you can quickly do this with just a click. So as you can see, the features of video.ai: auto video captioning, auto video chapters, social media templates, and so much more. So basically all you want to do to get started is to click on start for free over here, and then immediately you're taken to this page where you can see downloads, media, and then the minute you have asked for the free version. Okay, you basically have 75 minutes for each month. Okay, so basically all you want to do is to come over here to upload files. Okay, and then you want to pick or select the video you want to edit. Okay, for example, I'm just gonna click on a random video I have on my PC. Okay, so I selected a long format video, and then all you want to do is to click on start import over here, and then as you can see, which format do you want it to be? Do you want it to be in landscape? Already the video is in landscape. Or do you want it to be in portrait, for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube shorts, or square, as you can see over here? So let's say I want to post it on my TikTok, so I'm basically just going to click on this and then go down to continue. And also you can see we recommend selecting at least 3 of each types for the portrait. So basically it's still loading, but I'm just going to select it, although it's not visible, but it's basically still loading. And then you just want to click on continue, and then your YouTube handle, you can type this over here. My YouTube is KidCast, or your Instagram handle as well, it's KidCast or official KidCast. Okay, official KidCast, and then your TikTok handle, which is KidCast01, and then all you want to do is to click on done. So that's basically all you need to do, and then in just few minutes, the AI is gonna generate this video in all you just set for it. So as you can see, we're processing your videos. This can take up to 30% time of your video length. We'll send you an email when it's done. Okay, and then all you want to do is to go to dashboard, and then if you like to use the same editing format for your future videos, you can basically just click on these and then go to dashboard. So basically all you need to do right now is to wait for these to be done. As you can see, it's ready. All you want to do right now is to just click on these, open your editor, and then you're going to see a variety of templates you can actually still adjust. So let's play this and see how it's going to look like for Instagram. So the recent firing off of some Google, so as you can see guys, it has actually been edited in the correct format for Instagram. Okay, so instead of you using a normal video editor, trying to adjust all this, you can basically just come to video.ai real quick, upload your video, and then you get variety of templates you can pick from. As you can see guys, we have so so many templates. And then the best thing about this is your caption has actually been highlighted for you, as you can see, guys.
Employees, some of the employees actually asked that AI can send,
as you can see, without me even texting. A lot of us who do edit our videos, it takes us a lot to type out our captions, and then with the use of video, you can actually get your captions without even typing a dime. All you want to do is just to watch it through and then make adjustments to the captions, and that's basically how it works. And all you want to do after this is to come to download video, and then you can select your preferred export content, either it's 720 or 1080. Okay, but this is basically the pro version, so you basically just want to click and confirm over here, and then you're good to go. You download the video and post it wherever you want to post it. So guys, that's basically how you can actually use video.ai to edit your videos in just few minutes. Instead of going through a lot of process in your video editing software, you can just use video.ai to edit your video and you're good to go. So this is the video over here. So basically, let's just play it and see how it looks like.
After the recent firing off of some Google employees, some of the employees actually,
as you can see, guys, we're good to go. So guys, that's basically how it works, and I want to believe we all learned a lot from today's video. If you surely did learn a lot, make sure to subscribe if you still haven't, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.